Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down until we will find the apps. Let's tap on it. And now just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got the Reset Up Preferences option. So just tap on it, and your device is simply informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data. So simply tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.